Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are ever looked at the schematic or the PCB and wondering what the term like DIP, SOA, QFP, QFN or the BGA, this is a video for you. Today's video, we are going to learn the most common AC package used in electronics and the PCB design. We have to understand the advantage and the disadvantage in the land where those packages can use. So first of all, we have to understand what is an IC package. The IC package is the housing that protects the silicon chip and can be connected into the PCB. So we have the difference package look like this one so different. It look like so different. So we will know at the end. So the same packet or the same microcontroller can be sorted in the multi-package type depending on the application, but at the same internal chips. Like the main is this one. Like some microcontroller can be sorted like on DIP and QFN, the SOIC, but same function but different package. So we have to learn this one and to know where the one is used and the function of this different package. Let's start on this one, DIP, draw inline package. This package has two low, this one and this one. This package has two low of the pin. This pin pass through the hole in the PCB. You know, when you try to soldering this one, you have to press this one in the hole of the PCB, right? So this pin make DIP easy to soldering by hand, you know, because this one is used to a true hole, easy to solder. Breadboard friendly. This one is for the beginner, to be honest. But the disadvantage of this one or the something, this one they has larger size. Another thing is this one has the low number of pin, because you cannot see the IP chips has 30 pin or the 64. Imagine when you make this 64 pin, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this one only is 7 or the means 14. Imagine 64, you can put it from here up to there, so it's so big. And another thing for the DIP is not suitable for the compact product. It's like imagine when you make some wearable device and then using DIP, so it's so hard to make it so big. The next one is SOIC, the small outline IC. So from this one, SOIC is surface mounted version. It's not like DIP. You see, the pin is this one. When you're looking on the DIP, you're placing the device on the top side and then you're soldering on the bottom side. So, but on this SOIC, it's a surface mounted package. So, it's smaller than DIP. You know, the second thing is the common for analog and something like that one, and but there's something is more different to soldering hand than the IP. Comparing to the IP, this one is somehow complicated for the soldering, and this SOIC is commonly used for the operation amplifier, EEPO, voltage regulator, and interface IC. So let's move on this one, QFP, quarter fat package. You see, this one is so good. Look how it is, this one is like SOIC, right? It's like SOIC. The thing I forgot to tell you on this SOIC, is the surface mountain of DIP. You remember when I tell you on the DIP has two lines, right? Even SOIC has two lines. How to understand? Make this one. So when the QFP is the same like SOIC, but the difference is this one has only four read on the four side. All side has the read, has the pin on the all four side. That's only thing. This means you have to can have the 64 pin 100 something. So this one this one has many pin, easy visual inspection, and they widely used for the mic controller, but require more space. You see, the thing is the same, it require more space. So let's move. At this technology, the manufacturer tried to make, how can I putting the can make the package can have a lot of pins. They solve it, but the problem is this one. Still they have the many space, So that why. So QFN is the package for the is the same of QAP, but the difference is the one. This one they has the pad under the knee. You see, there is no read here. The problem you have here is the big size, right? Because the size of pin here out of the package, but here the size of package is enough, and there is no visible read when you put in like this one. You can see the read. So this one is so compact in size good, better thermal performance, better electrical performance. But the thing you have to understand on this one is it's so difficult to inspect soldering joint. Imagine when you're soldering and then you need to check the continuity and something like this. You can need to check if some pin is connected. You can see because you're putting the solder post under the chip. You can see it. It's not like this one. This one, when you're connecting long, you can desoldering and soldering again, and then same this one, same this one. But for this one, it is so hard. But this QFN is very common in the model wireless and power management system and the BMC controller or LFA circuit. Let's move on the BGA, bar grid array. So like when at the long time ago, when you see the chips like this one, you see this one. You think it's the processor of the computer. You say, this is a processor. Sometimes because the chip like this one, they're starting to make the chip like down at the processor. So that one they make for the, when they see this one, they think like So it's the, for this one, you see the pin is under. It's like it look like sometimes look like the QFN, but there is another line. QFN have only one this line outline, but this one there is another inside line. 1, 2, 3 inside. So it's so amazing. So instead of the reed or the pad along the edge, this BGA package use solder bar under the left of the package. The good thing is this one, extreme high pin. You know, even when I say the QFP can supporting the main pin, cannot be raised for the high when you have need the main pin. This one is so good. So this one is excellent electrical performance in the compact size, but the thing you have to understand is this one require advanced PCB design, because you know, like when you're connecting the pin, this one just you're connecting like this one, you're connecting like this one, but here no, you have to make sure, you have to know how can soldering BGAs. If you don't know, look on my YouTube channel. There is previous video for the how can soldering BGA. I was making the video a long time ago. So the package composition, it's same like how I say everything. For the beginner, you have starting on the GAP and then move to SOIC, continue to QFP and QFN, T2. So there is many package, because GAP is easy to soldering, but the large size, you know, SOIC is small size but still for the beginner friendly. QFP high pin counted with the visible reed, you know, but QFN offer excellent performance and the compact size but require more advanced. So the BGA provide highest density and performance, but it require professional manufacturing, because when we see this one, it's not easy. How can I say the beginner can soldering this one? No, it's impossible. So I think you understanding the IC package essentially for the every electronic engineer and the PCB. The package you chose affect the PCB size, right? Manufacturing cost, term performance, routing complex, and the product reliability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and let me know in the comment which package the type you use mostly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.